I have a Generac SV-2400 series model number 097162 portable generator. I'm trying to find an owner's manual to learn what oil to use in it.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Generac generator? How old is it?
I have no idea. I inherited this summer when my father passed.
What have you tried so far with your Generac generator?
My brother and I got it running and he showed me how to hook it up to my condo. But that is all so far.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I'm just curious for now what type oil to buy. It's a Briggs Stratton engine model number 135212.
Hello, my name is. I would like to assist you with this. I highly doubt you will ever find a manual for that unit. But those old portables call for a straight 30 watts oil when the temperatures are above freezing, or a 10 watts minus 30 if below freezing.
Can I use the 10 to 30 year round as it probably won't get used often? It's been years since last use.
As long as the temperatures don't get above about 80 or so, I would be okay with a 10 watts minus 30. But above about 80, definitely switch out to a straight 30. The cooling properties of the straight 30 are much better than the 10 watts minus 30.
Thank you. Is there a membership fee with JustAnswers? I missed that part on the website.
I only answer technical questions. I have nothing to do with the operation of the website. For those types of questions, you need to contact customer service.
Got it. Thank you so much. I'm good with the help you have given me at this time. No call is necessary. Thanks. Have a good night.
You too, my friend.
Okay.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.